Welcome to the final video in the Ranorex Studio Quick Start series. The previous video in this series demonstrated how to run a test suite and view the test run report. In this video, you will learn how to fix a test run that has failed. To do that, edit the existing recorded test so that it will fail. The validation step expects to see the text "Welcome Harry" in the welcome message. Let's change the input value for the Enter Your Name field to a different value. Click the Recording 1 tab to return to the Action Editor. Change the input value for the key sequence to Sally. Return to the Test Suite view and execute the test. The test run fails, as shown in the test run report. In a real-life situation, you wouldn't hard-code a data value in the Enter Your Name field. Instead, you would use an internal data table or an external source such as an Excel file, CSV file, or SQL database connector. To see how to set up data-driven testing, refer to the Ranorex Studio user guide, which is linked in the video description. For now, change the input value back to Harry. The test completes successfully. This concludes the Ranorex Studio Quick Start video series. To learn more about automating tests with Ranorex Studio, visit the Resources section of the Ranorex website, where you will find informative articles about software testing, white papers, and screencasts for all levels of Ranorex users from beginner to advanced. Or visit our webinars page and register for one of our free webinars, available live and on demand.